What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, everything I ordered from the Supreme drop finally came in. So we have 5 packages to get into. So spring summer 19, they had a lot of stock, so it wasn't too hard to get these items. So bam, here we got the packages. Let me set this down and we'll get into the bags first. All right, guys, so here we go. 5 packages. Let's start off with the bag first. So by the feel of this, I'm not gonna tell you guys, I'm just gonna let you guys see. Let's crack it open. It feels good to get a package from Supreme again. All right, so bam, got the Supreme bag. Okay, so I thought this was, wait. Okay, never mind, I thought that was something else. But here we have the Supreme King of New York t-shirt. I'll get this out in a second. Inside the bag, I'm sure you guys have seen already, you have the shower cap. Let's actually go ahead and pull it out because I've been hyped to actually get into this. You know what, I'm just going to rip this box. I don't really need it. This is actually like a crazy item. Like, I think last season was the poppy season. I still have them. I have like 6 of them. But, okay, this is like kind of weird. I'm not going to use it, obviously, because there's no need for me to use it. But super dope item. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. Let's actually see if this... Okay, so let's actually just go on to the t-shirt. Oh wait, before we get into that, we got to get into the stickers. So we have the grill right here. You got the classic box logo, and you have this one. It looks like some Granny Smith apple sticker. Give you guys a little close-up on that if you haven't seen these yet, but screw the stickers, we need to get into this t-shirt. So bam, here it is. I got it in this red colorway because I tried to go after the black one, but that didn't work for me. I got card declined so many times, it was ridiculous. But just crack this open. I really wanted that black one or the gray one, but they were sold out, so I had to settle with the red one. So here it is, guys. This is the King of New York Christopher Walken t-shirt. Really dope tee. One of my favorites from the drop. So on the front, you have the legend Christopher Walken. You have Supreme, and then you have King of New York underneath it. Really dope font, really dope colors on this t-shirt. Nothing on the back, unfortunately. That would have been cool to have like a little back piece, but nonetheless, really dope. So I know when I copped Supreme last season, when I got a medium in t-shirts, it fit kind of big. I had to wash it and dry it like 2 times. But we'll see if this fits true to size this season. So there you go. This is item number 1. Super hyped about this one. Like I said, I wanted the black or the gray, but red was the 3rd best choice in my opinion. So let's go on to another package. Okay, so next one up, we have another bag. Let's go ahead and tear this apart. All right, so here we go. Rip this thing open. Put that to the side. Supreme bag. I wonder what's in here. And okay, so this, okay, first of all, let's get into the stickers. You still got the grill, you have the box logo, and you have like this one right here. I'm not too sure, what does this say? Middle finger to the world, Supreme. So pretty cool if you're into that type of stuff. Me, not really, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. But another shower cap. I'm gonna have like a couple of these, so put that to the side. And here we have the red side bag or waist bag, whatever you wanna call it. Let's go ahead and pop this open. I'm really hyped about this one. These bags are a lot better than the ones last season, in my opinion. I don't know why. I guess because it has Supreme written all over it, which is the main reason I like it. But, you know, it's a Codora. I don't know how you say that, honestly. But Codora, I don't know, but really good quality. So here you have just a red bag. You have the red box logo right there. You have some, I think that's 3M right here on the side. I'll have to test that out. But you have the ropes on the zipper so you can open it up. It's honestly pretty deep. Like, it's actually, you can actually fit a lot of stuff in here compared to the one I got, I think it was last season. I'll show you guys that in a second. You have that pocket, then you have this little middle one right here, which is super small. You probably fit your wallet in there, if that. But yeah, pretty cool. So on the back, nothing on the strap. I think it would have been cool if they had Supreme on it again, but maybe that would have been Supreme overkill because it's all over the bag already. So let me actually go ahead and grab the one from last season and show you guys like the size difference. Okay, so here's the one from last season, I believe. Don't kill me if I'm wrong, but it is just like this black one. There's no only Supreme branding you see on here is the logo right there, and on the Where is it? And on this side, like where the strap starts, right there. Compared to this one right here, the logo is plastered all over it, which I'm sure a lot of people like. But as you can see, the size difference right there, I mean, I believe they were the same price point, but the size difference is pretty crazy. I mean, the black ones are good, don't get me wrong, but sometimes you need a little extra space. So I'm definitely gonna be using this red one a lot. All right, so I'm done with this black one. Let me just chuck it. So yeah, super hyped about this one. I mean, I tried to go for the black one, I believe, but honestly, I panicked. I was like, you know, I'm just gonna click the first one I see and check out with it. And that was the red one. I mean, the green one's pretty cool too. Oh wait, wow, this is pretty cool. There's actually an extra pocket inside a pocket. I mean, pocket inside of pockets, that's insane. That's always a plus. But super tiny. It's like this little mesh material inside too. So that's actually really, really dope. And then you have more hooks inside. I mean, this has a lot of stuff to it compared to that one. But you know, I was thinking about selling it because I don't really wear fanny packs too often. But you know, by the looks of it, I actually might keep it. Like, it's actually really dope. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the boxes. I honestly forget what this is. I mean, I have no idea. It's been like a week, so I kind of forget. But let's go ahead and crack this open. Got my scissors, my scizzies. Like, I really have no idea what this is. I completely forgot, honestly. But let's see. We got the bag, nothing else. Let's push that to the side. So, bam, actually by the feel of this, I kind of know what it is. So again, got the shower cap, got the stickers, same stickers as the last package. And then we have this right here. Now, if you don't know what this is, it is a Supreme Sig water bottle. Let's actually just unwrap this real quick. First of all, cool packaging, comes with like a little sticker right there that covers it. But let's actually just tear this off. So we have the white water bottle. Now around the water bottle, you have this red rubber which says Supreme on it, which is a super nice touch. Now everything is white on this bottle besides the Sig logo on the bottom. I actually never had a Sig container, so this is actually gonna be really useful. I mean, let's give this a smell test. What do these smell like? No, it's weird, but all right, that ass smells like paint. So these dropped in two colors. You have this white one and this black one. The other one is like black and it had the white rubber. I was trying to go for that one, but I got card declined again. I got card declined like 3 times, honestly. You know, I just kept trying. You gotta be persistent with this stuff. But yeah, really dope. I wanted the black one, but I'll settle for this white one. No big deal. Now, I don't think these are reselling for that much. So I mean, if you have extra money, I would definitely cop one. Preferably the black one. But I would definitely cop it. You could bring it to class, bring it to the gym, bring it anywhere. It's a nice little flex item. Okay guys, so this next one, I'm pretty sure it's an accessory. This box is pretty big though, so I mean, I wonder if it's gonna be huge. It's gonna be really small with a lot of, you know, all the extra stuff they throw in there, like paper and stuff. Hopefully it's just a huge accessory, but let's actually go ahead and get into it. Opening Supreme packages is probably like one of the best things ever. No cap. All right, here we go. Bam, give you guys a little inside look right there. So you got the Supreme bag, and then you have, you know, like I said, you have like all the paper and stuff. So I wonder if this item's gonna be big, if it's gonna be small, who knows. So you have a box inside of a box. So let's take this out. First of all, another one. Put that to the side. Stickers again, see if I have any new stickers, and I do. Okay, so this one's hella weird. It says what does this say again? It has kids and it says I heart Satan. I mean, not my wave, but if you're messing with this, I'll give it away. Anyway, you have the box right here. So let's actually, I need the scissors again. So, let's not make a mess with this styrofoam BS. Let's get this out. I really hate styrofoam, the noise it makes, bruh. Okay, let's push that. Ooh, it's actually really dope. Okay, so, bam, first look. This is the Supreme container. If you haven't seen it yet, I will show you guys. So, oh shit. Okay, so here is the lid. Let me just get it out first. So, it's actually really heavy too. Just the lid. So that's the lid. Then you have the container part, I guess. So, let's get this out the package. I'm really hyped about this one right here. Oh, I almost dropped it, bruh. Really hyped about this right here. I really like accessories. I mean, stuff you can put around, you know, your apartment or your room. So, there we go. So here's the lid and here is the actual container. I'll get you guys some close-up shots of that right now. So on the top, you know, it has some inappropriate things. You know, it says SEX, it has Sinner, Bloodlust, Supreme. You have the dollar logo or dollar sign. You have the two-face mask. You have number 1, come enter, you know, just all that jazz. So there's the size so you guys can see. I mean, really dope piece right here. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. This was an accidental pickup, or should I say what should I call it? I don't know what to call it, but like I was hitting on everything. I was really good. I was like, yo, come on, let's keep it going. So I clicked on this and checked out with it. I didn't really mean to. I mean, I wasn't really like super hyped for it, but now having it in hand, it is pretty cool and I'm glad I got it. Probably gonna put like on the desk somewhere or do something with it and fill it with some things. I don't know what I'm gonna fill it with, but it's gonna be something. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into the last package. Okay, so as you can see from the box, it isn't a Supreme item from this last drop, but it is a Supreme item for sure. I did a little trade on Depop. Basically, I traded my black Calabasas for this, which is a super steal for me because honestly, I'm not too hyped on the Calabasas anymore. I was when they first came out, but the black ones, it's a really weird shade of black and I just didn't wear it too often. So I was like, you know what, I'm trying to get rid of it. So I got a Supreme item for it. So it's a win in my book. So let's go ahead and crack it open. And with Depop trades, you gotta be careful. You gotta make sure the dude is honest. And this dude is really cool, so shout out to you. Let's crack it open. So this is a Supreme and Champion collab. Let's get it out. So bam, he put it in this little thank you bag. Shout out to you, it's really cool. Packaging is everything. So here we have a pair of sweatpants. Now these are the Supreme and Champion sweatpants. As you can see, you have the big C logos embroidered, then you have Champion going through them. Really nice embroidery here. I'm super stoked about this pickup. Haven't had a pair of white sweatpants in forever, so definitely hyped about this. And then moving on to the back, you have Supreme on the back pocket, embroidered again, really nice. And then on the inside tag, you have the Supreme and Champion tag. And this is a size medium, which is my size. Super stoked about this pickup right here. I mean, I've never gotten a pair of Supreme pants or sweatpants, so this is my first pair. See how these go, and in the future, you know, who knows, I might pick up more, but I'm really happy about this one right here. All right, guys, so that's all the packages I have for you today. Let me know what items you were able to cop on the drop. Let me know if you got card declined like a million times, because I definitely did. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, turn on post notifications. Go ahead, tell a friend about this channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.